Hello everybody, my name is Tim Lee. Welcome to my channel here, and of course our Draw Too Much sketch lessons. We're taking a little break today to show you a little drawing that I did while I was on my Florida vacation with my wife for Christmas. It was a lot of fun spending time with the family. I actually drew this on the airplane flying to Florida, and this was drawn on my iPad Pro. It's a 13-inch or 12.9 because I don't want the people who don't believe in 13 to think that it's an unlucky iPad. It's actually the first generation. It's a pretty cool iPad. I drew this in Procreate, and I switch back and forth between Procreate and what is the other one that I draw in? Clip Studio Paint Pro. That depends on what I'm looking for at that moment in time, but I love recording and capturing what I'm drawing here. You'll see that as I color this in, I do several different passes in the inking, and I'll change my wife's face here in a little bit to a little bit of a more appropriate face for her. It seems a little bit more clean and proficient, and it was just a lot of fun to capture these little moments like this with her. The whole premise was traveling together is always so much fun until you realize that you're thinking you're connecting, and I'm shooting pictures out the window of the airplane wing in the sky, and she is watching a movie on her iPhone. So anyway, I thought it was a fun moment and something I wanted to capture for us to remember. And I've learned about myself that while I'm on a plane doing pretty much nothing, drawing is so much fun. But then as soon as I get home and I start focusing on work and everything else that needs to be accomplished, well, then I give up and I don't do these drawings. So I love when I'm inspired to work on them and kind of go a different route than I usually do. Also did a complete different effect when it came to my shading, making it more realistic, which really made it fun for me. Added a lot to the overall design of it, something I don't usually do to try and reach into a realism shading in comparison to what I usually do for my cartoons. This has really changed it up and made it look a little bit different. If you want to learn more about some of this technique, let me know. Just leave a comment in the comments below. I'll keep it in mind and we'll see what we can come up with. But other than that, I hope that you enjoyed it. We're taking a little break from our tutorials. I got 3 of these, I think 3 or 4 of these that I'm going to share with you. They're short and quick, like 2 minutes and 30 seconds each or so. And then in a couple weeks, we're going to get back into our sketch lessons, teach you a little bit more about what it's like to be a caricature artist and what you need to see. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.